Good morning! Okay, we're going to Marseille. At Marseille. And then, mag-transfer kami ng train going to Cassis. Quick fact about Marseille. Marseille is the oldest city here in France. So this is Tunisian restaurant. It's Chez Yassine. Okay, so tapos na kaming kumain. Explore na namin ang Marseille. Good morning! It's our day 2. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung labas namin. This is the front view. Ayan. See natin yung sa likod. Actually, kompleto yung aming Airbnb. It has everything. So, I suggest na look for Airbnb na merong washing machine kasi it helps a lot. So, yun, may oven, merong dishwasher. Pretty much okay. Tita Mitch, ito. Tita.
Hi, good morning.
How's your first night? Bibihis kami kasi we're going to Marseille. Si Mama is andito, nagbibihis din. Good morning. Okay, we're going to the line 1, papunta ng Gare. Hi, Tita Joy. Hi, Tita Mitch. Hi, Mom. Hi, Self. Ayun na tayong tumawid. Let's say hi to Abby because I'm not saying hi kasi.
Hi, Abigail.
Hi, Abigail. I hope you like the video. At the tram. Puti mo naman. Puti mo. Umiti mo kasi ko eh. Ay, may itim pala talaga ako.
Alam ko ba yun sa'yo?
Yung, oo. Okay, so andito na kami sa Gare. We're catching the train going to to Marseille. Here's my mom.
Good morning. What a lovely day today. We're going to Marseille.
Yan yung Gare ng Nice. Dito kami nasakay sa lahat ng mga regional namin. Mga regional trips namin. Dito kami nasakay. This is our main terminal. So, ayun. Si Tita Rangyad. Iba yung kulay ni Totor ngayon, no? Yung aso.
Oh, iniiba-iba nila yung kulay?
Last time, yellow to eh.
So, bibili na tayo ng ticket natin.
So ayun. So sakay kami sa 10:25 na Marseille St. Charles. Oh, may 9:25 pala. Hall 1C. Okay, let's go.
Hall 2 ito. This is hall.
So we're going to Hall 1. Andito. So ito yung binili namin ng 7-day regional pass. Ito yung gagamitin namin.
Which one?
Wait. So ito yung gagamitin namin, yung regional pass na binili namin kahapon. Just have to time, but I get in. So, ayun. See? Ayun. Okay, so you have to keep your ticket every day as long as ginagamit mo pa. Kasi may mga nagche-check. So, ayun. Hey, it's my first time to Marseille. So, let's go. So, this is the trip. So, from Nice, San Agustin, it's the 6th station. Doon kayo bababa. So, it's 2.5 hours max, I think, yung travel. So, ayun. So, the regional pass, you can ride trains, TER, and zoo trains. So, ayun. Hindi niya covered yung buses. So, we bought a different local ticket for that. So, ayun, just to make sure. Para walang confusion. Kasi akala ko nung una, cover na siya dun sa regional pass na 7 days, hindi pa pala. So we need to buy another local train ticket para makalibot kami sa Nice. So ayan, ayan sila mama. Hi! It's your first time in Marseille as well, no?
It's my second time.
It's your second. You live there. Nagtira ka doon ng
Almost half year.
during COVID. Si ma'am.
It's my first time.
First time? Oh, I love your bag. Where did you buy your bag?
Oh, this is from Rose. And tea is from Primark. Yes, because me, I forgot where I bought it.
My bag. Pakita mo na yung bag ko. This is from Tita Irene. Thank you, Tita Irene.
Si
Si Trader's
Irene
Joe's.
yung sa amin kap. Bakit mo na ate ay?
Kabatit daw nung sa kanila.
Mars, Mayla. Saka naman. Yung malalaking totpat na lang sa amin.
Ito yung train na sakyan namin. Ayun, si Marseille St. Charles. So, yan. This is inside the train. Diyan, no? Okay lang.
Gusto mo dito sa bintana para
Okay. ayun, kanina nakita niyo merong check ng ticket. So ito yun, iti-check nila to. So this is the pass, 7-day pass for regional travel. Kasi pupunta kami ng Marseille. Before, usually, binibili lang namin yung South Pass. That's 50 euro. This one is 100 euro. You can use it from everywhere sa buong region. So ayun, nakikita niyo pa ako. Ayun, meron pa ako. So ayun, ano yan? Kasi mahal pag bibili kami ng ticket. Kunwari, bibili kami ng yung Sud Pass lang and then bibili kami ng ticket. Pag pumunta kami ng Marseille, it's mas okay pag bumili na nito kasi madami kang pupuntahan sa buong region. So ayun, enjoy the view. Ingatan nyo lang yung card nyo. Lagi nyo siyang dadalhin. Kasi ito yung gagamitin nyo sa lahat ng travel nyo. And yun nga, may nag-check every time.
We are now approaching Marseille Saint-Charles.
We're now at Marseille.
The train terminates here. Please make sure you have all your belongings with you as you leave the train. For your safety, please get off the train when the train is stopped.
We're at Marseille. Ito yung train na sinakyan namin. Nag-CR daw sila. Hihintay ko sila mama, nag-CR sila. And then, mag-transfer kami ng train going to Cassis. And doon kami mag-explore for today. Okay, so mag-explore pala muna kami dito sa Marseille. Bago kami punta ng Cassis. So yun, this is the outside of the Gare du Marseille Saint-Charles. Oh, wow! Here at Marseille now. So mag-explore nga muna kami dito. And just quick fact about Marseille. Marseille is the oldest city here in France. So this is founded 1600 BC. Nung mga old Turkish sailors. So yun. And ito, bababa tayo dito. This is the famous staircase na malapit lang dito sa Gare or sa terminal ng Marseille. What are you? What's that? Yeah.
Siya malagyan.
Don't forget your SPF. So basically, Marseille has a 2,600 history to share. Ganun na siya katanda. So this is the famous staircase. And also Marseille is the largest port na dito sa France. It's the largest commercial port here in France. So basically, Marseille is a multicultural because of it's the baskin of different people. Because yung port nila, open siya sa Greece, sa North Africa, sa Italy. So, yun. So since Marseille is the France's largest commercial port, yun nga, open sila sa mga deal from Europe, from Africa, from the Middle East. So Marseille is also called the gateway of the Mediterranean because of the tradings na nangyayari within Marseille. And dito din nag-originate yung bouillabaisse na seafood stew na French food. So, we might check kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain nun, kung meron. Why not? Okay, mag-vlog lang ako ha. Okay, so yung impression ko sa city, it's very Mediterranean. It's because maybe yung diversity nung mga culture dito, since it's very multicultural, yung influence ng different culture na adapt ng city. Kaya yun, very yung lugar, very Mediterranean yung vibe, yung mga design, yung feeling. Ayun.
Lolo is looking at you.
Ha?
That Lolo is looking.
It's very nice.
The metro.
Meron din silang metro or tram. It's actually my first time here. Kaya I'm so excited to explore. So yun yung magiging plan today, to explore Marseille first, and then later we're gonna go to Cassis. Cute nitong tindahan na to. I love. We're inside, sorry. Wow.
سلام لاباس
It smells like Saudi Arabia. Different nuts. Wow. Wow. Stop. I'm dying. I love this shop. Grabe, ganda. Guys, wait lang. Explore ko lang yung store. I love it. Mamaya na lang. Enjoy na sila. And so sabi ni ate, this is the oldest store here. Ganyan.
There is two. Okay. There is one
May nabili kami.
selling wine in the market, and there is one just Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Have a good day. Bye.
Market no is along the Gold Court.
Yeah, and you have to turn right.
Okay.
Meron din ditong metro. Marseille Metro.
Boulevard Garibaldi.
So na-enjoy namin bumili doon. Sabi ni ate, that's the oldest store daw ng mga Moroccan herbs and spices.
Isa na mo yung ano to maganda. Overwhelmed from the place.
Coucou, bonjour. So pa din pala dito itong trottinette na na-arkilahin mo through app. Kaya sa Paris naalis na to eh. So along the way, as you can see, madami kayong makikita ang mga La Savonnerie de Marseille. Kasi famous din ang Marseille sa kanilang Savon de Marseille. So yung mga soap, Marseille soap is famous din. And also, di mawawala ang football. Football is also famous here in Marseille since one of the most successful clubs in France, which is the Olympique de Marseille, is dito siya nag-originate. So, ayan. So, we're heading to the port. Tignan natin yung port and let's see what's the vibe there. So ayun, so I'm here now at the Vieux Port or the old port of Marseille. So this is one of the most historic port here in Marseille kasi during the early times, this is the trading spot for commercial tradings from different continents. So yun, sinabi ko kanina, from Middle East, from Africa, from other places in Europe. Dito nangyayari lahat ng mga tradings nila. And just imagine, 2,000 years ago, almost everything is happening here. So ayun. See, it's just here in Marseille City. Say hi. Where's mom? Ayan. In fairness, mabango yung kanilang
Amoy
port.
tiram here.
Amoy tirem daw. What's tirem?
Oyster?
Amoy oyster. Yes. Ganun yung amoy. Hindi siya mabaho, hindi siya malansa.
Yes.
Amoy
Because
seafood.
I'm hungry, so that's why everything I smells like food.
She's hungry. And this area is so lively. I never expected that Marseille will catch my heart. Sobrang saya. Sobrang ganda, ma. You like Marseille?
Yes, yes. Ganda dito. But you know, everywhere in France, you'll find beauty. Everywhere.
And this is beauty. So magla-lunch muna kami, maghanap kami ng makakainan. Ito lang siya sa gilid ng port. Madaming kainan na dito. Oh, yeah, yeah. Pero sarado. So we've decided to eat here in Chez Yassin. This is Tunisian. So yan, try namin doon. Eto, maliit lang siya. Kami pala sa restaurant. Okay, so this is Tunisian restaurant. It's Chez Yassin. So ayun, so we're having break. Let's see what are they offering here.
Spaghetti with the man. They have also like that. Ayun lang, parang ang niluluto mo.
Ayun parang ginagawa. Pero yung sa akin, roll. O break.
Kain pa nila yan.
So this is the menu. Ayan. Yung menu nila is in English and in French. So I'm having brick egg. And let's see what we can do. Ma. So naka-order na kami. Umorder na ako ng mokia salad and brick egg with tuna. Sila nag-grill. Pagbabalik na sa This is the grilled chicken of Tita and Tita Niche. This is the salad meshria. Egg. Moi. Ano hindi ka kaya? Wow. This is the brick.
Yang?
Sister food. Ano yun, mama? Laglabi? Bon appetit. So we're going to taste the salad mokia. This is grilled eggplant, tomato, bell peppers, and then they cut it with knife, with tuna, with Tunisian tuna and egg. Good. Yummy. Masarap yung break. Sarap, tita. Sarap. Okay? Sibong, it's good. The kitchen, it's an open kitchen. Pardon. Hanggang ng pila pa din. Bonjour. Where? There? It's good? Wow. Merci, au revoir. Si Bad Bunny kumakain doon. Diba? Dami nangyayari. It's okay? Bonjour. Okay, so tapos na kaming kumain. Explore na namin ang Marseille. I never really expected na magagandahan ako dito sa Marseille. Ang ganda, na-enjoy ko. Truly is a very nice place. Yeah. I think babalik kami dito with Daddy and Gia. So, ayun. Mabait na mga tao. And yung sa Chef Yasin, it's not expensive. Masarap. Na-enjoy ko. Na-enjoy mo yung food mo. Si Mama medyo soup kasi yung sa kanya, kaya medyo nainitan siya. Wait lang, bibili pala ako ng I love Marseille. Bili lang ako nito. Wait lang. So dito ako bumili ng mura lang. So if you're in Marseille, go visit Grandiose. I bought all of this. Okay, so I'm ending my Marseille vlog now because we're going directly to Cassis now. We're heading to the Gare station. So ayun naman, ano sabi mo sa Marseille?
Yeah, Marseille feels nostalgic.
Pag galing ka ng...
Yeah, it's like I'm back in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, it's a similarity. There's a similarity with the city and the people because a lot of Arab restaurants, Moroccan,
Kasi
Tunisian.
very,
This came from a
very,
Tunisian.
very
Yes.
Mediterranean yung vibe. So,
Yes, very Mediterranean.
yun yung nafe-feel namin. Maganda. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching and please like and subscribe. So, yung next vlog ko is in Cassis. So, see you there. Thank you. Bye-bye.